Welcome to Mariners Point, a gated community of Nantucket-style villas situated among the majestic live oaks of the Intracoastal Waterway in Little River. Unit 23 is a simply stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath villa located along pristine salt marshes with prime waterway views. This unit boasts plentiful upgrades and improvements, which include an updated kitchen with white cabinets, glass tile backsplash, and brand new major appliances, including refrigerator, range, and dishwasher. This kitchen opens to a spacious dining room and a large, open living area, boasting a bar and a decorative fireplace adorned with quartz, glass, and custom mantel, and with access to the deck and Carolina room, with fabulous views of the marsh and Intracoastal Waterway. The Carolina room is heated and cooled with a split system, making it usable year-round. Directly adjoining the living area and Carolina room is the ground floor master, with grass cloth accent wall and luxurious bath, with double sink granite top vanity, walk-in closet, and large tiled walk-in shower. Upstairs you'll find 2 large bedrooms with bath and stair access to abundant attic space. Other features complementing this incredible offering are laminate, tile, and luxury vinyl flooring, custom balances, crown molding, Wi-Fi thermostat, and marina slip number 3, an included 26-foot boat slip with easy access from your front door. Mariners Point also offers an array of amenities, including a waterfront pool and hot tub, tennis and basketball courts, clubhouse, and a private bar. Convenience to restaurants, golf, shopping, and the historic Little River waterfront make this an unbeatable offering. Make your appointment today to see Unit 23 and to become part of the Mariners Point community.